Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Shapeshift. Full guide step by step clearly. To transfer crypto from Shapeshift, first, log into your Shapeshift account. Ensure your wallet is properly set up and funded with the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Navigate to the Assets section of your account. Select the cryptocurrency that you wish to transfer. Click on the Withdraw option associated with that asset. Enter the recipient's wallet address in the designated field. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any loss of funds. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Review any fees associated with the transaction before proceeding. Make sure to confirm that you are transferring the correct amount to the correct address. Once everything looks accurate, click on the Submit or Send button. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication step if prompted. Wait for the transaction to be processed. Keep an eye on the transaction status in your account. After some time, you should see the transfer credited to the recipient's wallet. Access your email or account notifications for any updates regarding the transaction. If there are any issues, consult Shapeshift's Help Center for support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.